if the bullpen says where you going, your answer is for what?
Yeah. Yeah, she works here. She's one of the front desk guys.
Oh. Is it Michaela?
No,
oh.
The other one, brown haired girl.
Oh, brunette, I saw her last night.
Yeah,
Down right there.
I'm just watching for the babies across the way. They're cool.
Might get in the water right there too.
This is already better than the stuff we were doing yesterday. You don't think so?
This is anxiousness for me.
Oh, you'll go.
Should have taken a Zanny. You'll be fine.
I worry too much about
What are they gonna do?
You've got a guide here, man.
Yep.
The noise it makes is...
I believe in him. Run, jump, catch. Close. At least he's having fun.
Empty-handed.
Are the cups with it? Oh yeah, right behind me.
It was snorkeling.
That's one of the little ones there, Jackie.
Yeah, he's a baby.
He likes the little one. He likes the picture to look at it.
You can't tell me he's not so cute.
We'll come back just not very big.
Oh, dude.
Black Granny or something that was about 500.
That's crazy to think those guys in Michigan will shoot a 200-pound bear. Oh yeah, look at my bear. Pull it up. I got this good one.
Yeah, pretty much.
Look at these monsters that look like minions.
Oh, no, the big guys are 12, 1300. Yeah. We'll keep sliding over here.
He just swimming. your little hairline.
Technology. This is Sherpa. Carry all of the support stuff, batteries.
Yeah.
Participants in all this stuff. I've hunted and fished all my life, and I just went to photography. And at this point in my life, we can do something, and the kids are willing to go with us. And it's like, yeah, I'll go.
If you care, he's walking towards you still.
Slide this way here.
Every little one is still determined. Every bigger little one.
There's a little pause.
I like his tongue.
Oh, might be a sneak attack right here. Oh, they're about to face off. Hey, that's kind of cute. He's just eating grass. Come on, dude, jump. There's no way he jumps. That's scary.